Alright guys, how you doing today? Fixer Pros here. We have an iPhone 8 that is not turning on, and there's no voltage. Well, it keeps going Apple logo, so we've determined that it needs a battery replacement, so we're gonna try that. So here we go. First, let's go ahead and take out the pentalobe screws out, and we already preheated this already, so but it'd be good to kind of heat this up on a hot plate just because there's some little glue and get your Sesmo. And again, this is also going to act as a screen repair, so you can follow this for screen repair as well. So here we go. Just open this up here, and you're going to take your regular Phillips screwdriver and take these out as well. The best method to do this is to take the whole screen out, because if you kind of slip with taking the battery out, 'cause there's adhesive, you can damage the flex cables in the home button, so you don't want to do that. So first step is get something flat and be careful, don't dig too deep into there. Okay, and then we're going to take out oops, what is that? And there we go. We'll get that in a second. Let's go out. That's not this one. Gotta be careful with this. And that screws hidden around here. That 1 second. There we go. Okay. Then you're gonna take this part out right here. Alrighty. You can take your little. Usually I use my fingernail, lift this up. This one's a little tighter, so take the Sesmo, just get right underneath there gently, pop it out. Okay. There we go. Took the screen out. Now we're gonna take the battery out. There's this little tapes right here. Sometimes they're easy to take out, sometimes they're not so easy. Usually heating up the back, but if you can take your tweezer and just kind of twirl this tape, sometimes you have some success, sometimes you don't, but that's okay. I'll show you another method that I like usually to do. I like to use a little bit of alcohol. Let's pop this out. Sometimes it comes out, sometimes it doesn't, but we'll see. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to use a little bit of alcohol, so I can just try to wedge this up a bit. This battery's bad, so I'm not worried about bending it. So get a little bit of alcohol in there, not too much. So you don't want to wedge this underneath here, because there's only tape here and there's tape right here. Okay, so you got to watch out. So here we go. That'll usually just lift out there. Just dry off the excessive alcohol. Okay, so yeah, that's what I was saying. Be careful here. You don't want to cut that, because then you gotta take the whole motherboard out, and that controls the volume and the mute button, volume up and down. Okay, so now over here, you can try to clean off some of this excessive tape if you want to. It's a good idea to do it. as much as you can. Usually you just have to kind of pull it. There you go. Pull that tape right there. That's enough for that, I guess. Let's try this one here. And generally, the new battery comes with tape, but if it doesn't, you can use some double-sided tape. I'm gonna peel this off. Make sure this connects. Make sure that's connecting in there properly. Before I glue it down, so that's connecting. Everything's lined up. Just pop that battery in, okay? But we're gonna disconnect it again, because now we're going to put the LCD on. You don't want to blow out the backlight on the motherboard. So now we're here. We're going to put back, we'll reverse the steps, reconnect the LCD. You know, some of the tape kind of came up, so I might just redo the adhesive. Well, some of the adhesive is on here. That'll be fine. You know, some of the adhesive is back on here. Let's put this back on. It'll be fine. Okay, connect the front camera, connect the home button, there's the LCD digitizer, and reconnect the battery. Let's see if it turns on before we put all the screws back in. Here we go, it's coming back on. As it's coming on, we'll put the screws back in to complete this job. Yep, might have the wrong screwdriver. Yep, everything's working. And good thing about these older phones that the battery health usually reads, yeah, maximum capacity, battery health 100%. And that's it. Put all the screws back in and you're all set to go. All right, guys, thanks again. If you like and hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.